This is the Behind the Line podcast, and this is Pacific Northwest headline news in 3 minutes for Friday, January 14th, 2022. So apparently Jay Inslee's vaccine mandate here in Washington is more important than open commerce and free travel and drivers' safety on the roadways. During the recent big snowstorms that closed all the passes here in Washington, Kittitas County, Ellensburg, offered to provide the state with additional snowplows and drivers to help clear Snoqualmie Pass and some of the surrounding highways. And the state turned them down, citing the reason being that Kittitas County does not have a vaccine mandate policy for its workers. So what did the DOT do? They hired a private contractor, paid them $40,000, and supposedly this private contractor also did not have any kind of vaccine mandate. Does our state government do anything that makes any sense whatsoever? Washington State Governor Jay Inslee also announced yesterday at a press conference that he's calling in the National Guard to assist at local hospitals because they're in danger of being overrun with patients, COVID patients. Then he told us how many of these patients in ICUs are COVID patients, and the number was 18%. It doesn't sound like COVID patients are overrunning the ICUs. The Oregon Department of Human Services has announced an increase to income limits for food and child care assistance. The changes took effect January 1st. Until 2022, the income limit for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program and employment-related daycare was 185% of the federal poverty level. It's now been increased to 200%, or $21.47 a month for an individual and $3,660 for a family of 3. San Mateo County, California is scrambling to clean up a mess uncovered by KGO TV. More than $10 million worth of personal protective equipment purchased with tax dollars left outside in the rain for months. Hundreds of boxes of hospital gowns, masks, face shields, and other equipment got moved outside and forgotten about, rained on, and destroyed, and all this stuff was taken to the dump now. Complete waste of money. Just a small example of how government officials handle your tax dollars and what they think of that. This has been Pacific Northwest News headlines in 3 minutes. For more, visit BehindTheLinePodcast.com. Thanks for listening. Have a great weekend.